Ah, hello and welcome. I am the awful chef, and gee, just like everybody else, I got hungry tonight, so I better make some food. I have had a very busy day. Fortunately, I have a very easy dinner. It's so easy that I'm going to tell you about it. You're not even going to get to watch me cook it because you don't need to. How many times are you going to watch me saute an onion? Let's take a look at what we got. First, it's a pasta dish. Short pasta, in this case penne. Cooking instructions are on the package. Follow the directions. And here we have the rest of the meal. It is pasta with peppers, a classic Italian dish made with, an onion, 2 diced bell peppers, and some fresh thyme. And of course, there is no life without garlic. Minced garlic, several cloves, and some olive oil. So what do? Well, I was going to surprise the heck out of you. Saute the onion. A little bit of olive oil, about 10-15 minutes. Throw in the peppers. Saute them about 5 minutes until they're nice and cooked, and you're going to stand up to whatever you throw in there. Then, late in the game, for more intense flavor, you add the garlic and the thyme. What you end up creating is a garlic and thyme sauce with onions and peppers that you're going to throw over some cooked pasta. Throw some Parmesan on top of that and you have yourself a dinner. And we are at the 2-minute mark. That's how easy this is. You can do it. Do it. You'll like it. Just try it. You'll be a lot healthier for it. And as I say, in a lot of places, dinner's just a plate of food. This is a wonderful plate of food. If you don't like the way it turns out, throw in some tomato paste. Top it with Parmesan. If you're really greedy, throw in some toasted pine nuts. This can be a really good dinner. Really simple dinner, especially after a long day. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the awful chef. Give it a try. You'll like it. And also, since this is social media, I've got to ask you to do that social media thing and like, subscribe, share, etc. Thank you. Goodbye.